your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
Hi guys, my name is Simar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I've been thinking about doing this for such a long time, you have no clue. But let's just be honest, I'm the biggest chicken ever and I didn't have the guts to film a video. But it's better late than never and here we are. So for my first video, I was thinking about doing a get to know me tag first. But I don't really enjoy watching get to know me tags myself and I don't want to post content that I don't enjoy watching. Hence, we're going to do a try on clothing haul because we are in this pandemic and I haven't left my house in the last 6 months. And the only thing that is keeping me sane right now is online shopping. So I'm going to show you everything that I've bought. So I wanted to add that all of the things that I'm going to show you is what I've bought in the span of the last 2 months. So it might not be available anymore, but I am going to link everything that I can find in the description box in case you want to buy it. So I'm planning to post at least once a week. So please subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, right? And press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, I am like really new at this, right? So I don't really know a lot about this and it would be really helpful if you could, comment some video ideas in the comment section below about what you want my next videos to be. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. The first store that I bought stuff from is H&M and I have always loved H&M, but after Shein has like closed down in India, H&M has like been my number one favorite. So the first thing that I've bought from H&M is this pink crop top. It's like really in these days, like they used to have a ton of these on Shein, but I'm like really sad that I didn't buy it from there. But even this is like really good. It has like a pretty good fit and it's very cropped, and obviously I can't wear it at home. It's like if you want to go out or something, you can wear it. So yeah, I love it. The second thing that I've bought from H&M is this oversized Billie Eilish merch. It's very cute. It says Billie Eilish on the back and it has this person in the front. It's like the Billie Eilish, symbol kind of a situation. And it's like so dope. It's gonna look so good with like high-waisted jeans, like tucked inside that, or with thigh-high boots. Love it. So the next few items that I bought from H&M is like, a pack of 3. I bought these camisole tops with like a v-neck. They came in black, white and grey. They're like really good to lounge in at home or something. And they look like pretty basic though. But I won't wear it anywhere but at home. So they are like 10 out of 10. The next thing I bought from H&M is this t-shirt. It's like a normal round neck t-shirt and it says Metallica in like rhinestones. It's pretty cute. You can wear it anywhere you want, like maybe to the mall or something with like jeans. Next thing is also a t-shirt from H&M. It says Influential and it has like these roses on it and it's like pretty cute and I really like the fit of it. I bought another t-shirt from H&M. It says NASA and it has like 3 planets which I don't think are real because I don't know. I don't think these are real planets, right?
My God! Wow!
I don't know, whatever. And it's cute. It's like kind of oversized. So yeah, this is the most basic thing that a person can buy. It's like this green khaki dress from H&M. It's like very short, but the fit is like very nice. Looks like really good. And there's nothing much to say about this because you can literally see this dress in some color in each and every girl's closet. Like I'm sure you can, like even I have this dress in like 2 more colors. So yeah. So the next thing I bought is like a maxi dress. It's plain black, but I don't know, I'm like really confused about it. I don't even know what to say. Like it looked really cute on the model, but I don't know, man. It just doesn't do it for me. I might just slitted from one of my legs, but let's see what I'm gonna do with this. So the last thing that I bought from H&M are these pants in this latex material. They are like really out of my comfort zone, and I think out of a lot of people's comfort zone, because it's like really different, okay? But I've seen celebrities wear it and style it in like such good ways, and I'm like really excited to style it on my own. The next store that I shopped from is Ajio, and I don't know, I didn't really buy anything like particular. I just bought like a bunch, like 10-15 oversized t-shirts, and I love each and every one of them. They're like so comfortable, the material is like A1, but that's all that I have to say about them. So I'm just gonna quickly go through each and every t-shirt. So yeah. The first t-shirt that I bought from Ajio is this white t-shirt with like blue dragon print on it. The main reason that I bought it is for the dragon print, because I think it looks like really cool. The next t-shirt that I bought from Ajio is this grey t-shirt which says fake news on it. And I bought all of these t-shirts from the men's section because they're like very comfy and very oversized. Like most of them look amazing with like cycling shorts or biker shorts. The next t-shirt that I bought from Ajio is this white t-shirt which says own it in the front in like a blue box. It's like very basic and very plain, and again it looks amazing with biker shorts. I love this next t-shirt that I bought. It's so cute. It says time changes bro, and it has, you know, like an iPod and like the cassette player, so it's like really thoughtful. I love it. The next t-shirt is something that I think I love the most out of the lot. It says Rolling Stones, and Rolling Stones is like an amazing band. I love them. They're like obviously a 90s band, but I listen to their music very often, so that's why I bought this. The next t-shirt that I bought is again a white t-shirt, and it says Too Dead to Die in yellow, and I love the mustardy yellow color, and obviously Too Dead to Die, that's like what every teenager is feeling right now. Next one is another white t-shirt. It says Dive High in the front and Dive High on the back as well, and it's very basic. I loved it. Like I have worn it once with like, you know, biker shorts, and it looked so good. The next t-shirt I bought is this plain grey t-shirt. Like it's plain on the front, there's nothing, and on the back it says Rise and Fall, which is like really motivational, and I love it. And especially the font, it's like orange and black, and it looks like super cool. The last t-shirt that I bought from Ajio is another grey t-shirt, and it has a skull with a snake on it. It's like super cool. And yeah, that's all that I got from Ajio. The next store that I bought stuff from is called the Melange Box, and I found them on Instagram, and I'm like super glad that I found them, because I've bought like 2 t-shirts from them. They're like slightly cropped t-shirts, and I love the fit, and the colors are adorable. The first t-shirt that I've bought is this green forest green color t-shirt, and the next t-shirt that I bought is like the same pattern in another color, in this blue color. And like these colors are like so difficult to find. Like I have nothing like, you know, these colors and these colors. I love it. I bought 2 pajamas or sweatpants or something. I think those are like more like pajamas from Myntra, and I hate them. I must say I hate them, and I regret buying them. Like the material is like so bad. It's basically synthetic. Like I remember checking the material and it said cotton, but I don't know, maybe I didn't check it or something. It's my fault, but I hate it. Like when I look at them, they look like very cute, okay? So the first thing that I bought is this pink pajama, and it has, you know, these glitter gray stripes on the side, like both the sides. And the other pajama that I bought is like the same one, like the pink one, in like a blue color, a navy blue color, and it has this stripe. Like when you look at them, they look very good, but they're not comfortable. Like I might wear them in the winter time, but for summer they're like a no-no. The next store that I bought stuff from is called Freakins, and I also found them on Instagram, and I love them. Like I'm so glad that I found these couple of stores that I bought stuff from. So the first thing that I bought from them are these white jeans. They are ripped, they're skinny jeans and they're ripped from like certain places and they fit like a glove. I bought another pair of jeans from them. They're like this blackish grayish color and again they're ribbed and they're skinny. I love them. They fit like a glove. I love the fitting, and you know, I never bought jeans online. Like I've always thought that, you know, investing in jeans is like a good idea because, you know, you can wear them for a very long time, and I've always bought like super expensive jeans. But after I've, you know, like worn these and, you know, like bought these, my mindset has like totally changed. Okay, I love these jeans and I totally recommend buying them. The next thing that I bought from Freakins is this, you know, this sweatpants. They're like navy blue and they're very comfortable. They look very good when I wear it, very stylish, and again I totally recommend buying them. I also bought the same sweatpants as like the navy blue ones in a black because I love the fitting and it was like so cheap I couldn't help myself, to be honest. Okay, so the last brand that I've bought stuff from is also a brand that I found on Instagram. I don't know how they're like pronounced. It's called Londhe. I think it's Londe. I don't know, but whatever. I love their clothes. Okay, like they sell in, you know, like a pack of 2, and I've bought like 2 things, so 4 clothing items. So the first 2 things that I've bought are these muscle tees. This is the first one. It's like black in color, and this is the second one. It's white. It's like the same design and everything, it's just different colors. The next 2 items that I bought, which are also the last 2 items, are these oversized t-shirts, which I love. The first one is this red t-shirt. I love the material and they're like so oversized. I just wear them all the time. They're like so comfortable. And the other one I bought is like the same t-shirt as the red one in a yellow color. I love the yellow. It's like a mustard yellow, and oh my god, I'm like obsessed. So yeah guys, that is it for my haul. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, please share it with a couple of people who you think would like it too. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Go with the butterboo, you know how we